How to fix iPhone needs to cool down before you can use it issue. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix iPhone needs to cool down before you can use it issue. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that we'll do is we'll actually turn down or turn off features that consume your that makes your device more heated. So for that, turn off your Wi-Fi. You can turn off your Wi-Fi, you can turn off your data, and you can simply turn on your airplane mode. Tap on airplane mode to turn it on. After you do that, make sure that you've turned on your Bluetooth and all the other options as well. After you've done that, you can open up your settings. Let me head back here. So okay, after you're on your settings, turn off your location. For that, you can head over to your privacy settings. Head over to privacy and security on your settings and turn off your location services. Tap on location services and turn it off. Turn off your location services and you can head back. Now what you'll need to do is you'll need to turn off your background refresh as well. For that, head over to your settings, go to general. After you're on your general, you should see background app refresh. Tap on it and make sure that it is turned off like this. After you do that, you can simply come back here and you can just turn off your device entirely and let it cool. For that, you can head over to your settings and go to your general. Let's go back in the initial. Okay, so go to general again, scroll down, and there you'll see the shutdown button. Tap on shutdown to shut down your device and let it cool down for a few minutes, and you can open up your iPhone, and after that your problem should get fixed. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.